Hi, I'm Captain Austin. This is Captain Angel, and this is future Captain Aria. We welcome you to our family here at Austin Boat Tours.
This is our 5th year as voted the official best of in Texas. We do a lot of family tours out here, private charters, birthday parties, anniversaries, reunions.
We can even do family anniversaries and wedding parties.
We've got stretched limos and buses.
To make sure everybody gets from point A to point B safely, we want to show you the best charter that you can experience.
Whenever you arrive to Austin Boat Tours, you're greeted with a friendly smile here at the ship store.
Austin, Texas is just voted #1 city to visit in the United States. We definitely have many sights to see. You can use our flyboards, you can hang out in Devil's Cove.
And we do food and vacation rentals as well.
If you come out to Austin Boat Tours, you're gonna see the sunset. The captains can cook you your food and you can watch the sunset while you're eating.
We're really like a family here and we want to welcome you to our family. We want to show you a great time on the lake.
Join our family.